If you need to embed a Lucidchart diagram in Microsoft Word, this guide will walk you through the easiest way to do it step by step. Whether you're building a report, a proposal, a process document, or a presentation handout, adding a Lucidchart diagram can make your Word file much clearer and more professional. And if you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's start by opening Lucidchart. First, log into your Lucidchart account. Once you're inside, open an existing diagram that you already created or make a brand new one if you're starting from scratch. This is where you want to make sure your diagram is completely finished because the next step is to export it for Word. Now that your diagram is ready, it's time to download it. In Lucidchart, click the three-line menu, then choose the export option. From there, you'll see different file formats you can use. For Word, the best choices are usually PNG, JPEG, or PDF, depending on how you want the diagram to appear in your document. PNG is often a great option if you want a clean image, while PDF can be useful if you want sharper detail. Select the format you want, then save the file to your computer. Once the diagram has been downloaded, open Microsoft Word. You can either create a brand new blank document or open an existing document where you want the Lucidchart diagram to appear. If you're working on a report or instructions document, it helps to scroll to the exact section where the diagram should go before inserting it. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of Word. From there, click Pictures. This will allow you to add the file you just downloaded from Lucidchart. Browse to the location where your file was saved, select the diagram image or PDF, and then click Insert. Word will place the diagram into your document right away. If you're using Microsoft 365, you may notice that importing from devices, stock images, or online pictures can require a subscription in some cases, so make sure your version of Word supports the method you're using. If you already have Microsoft 365, this should work smoothly for you. After the diagram is inserted, you can resize it by clicking and dragging the corners. You can also move it around the page until it sits perfectly in your layout. If needed, adjust the text wrapping or alignment so the diagram fits naturally with the rest of your content. Taking a moment to position it properly will make your document look much cleaner and easier to read. Finally, once everything looks good, save your Word document. It's always a good idea to save as you go, especially if you've made multiple edits or added several diagrams, and that's it. You've successfully embedded a Lucidchart diagram into Word. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.